Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are in front of you again with another exciting video. You guys might be wondering what we have for you today. Watch the video until the end, and we promise you won't regret it. Also, press the bell icon and subscribe to this incredible channel, as we will lead everyone who is disappointed and doesn't know how to start in this online world to earn. Don't worry, because we are here for you continuously for any of your queries. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. The topic of today's video is how to make money as a copywriter. You might be familiar with this term. Copywriting means writing for the marketing of any business, any product, any brand, or any organization. Many people misunderstand it and think that copywriting is somehow related to the term copyright. However, copywriting has nothing to do with the term copyright. So, after clearing this misconception now, we will move further in the video. You know the copywriter's work when you see an email, blog post, product description, and written message from a brand or organization. Yes, this is actually what copywriters have to do. In easy and simple words, you can say that copywriters promote the business and organization of other people. Now the point comes to how you can make money as a copywriter. The story is straightforward. As a freelancer, you sell your qualities, or you can say that you work for the people interested in your specific work. Similarly, in the case of copywriting. Suppose you want to become a copywriter, then you have to compose any message regarding any organization in such an attractive way that people will be attracted to your words. The magic of words is all a copywriter has to do, or can also be the combination of marketing and writing. How to make money as a copywriter. Copywriters must write incredibly and attractively to promote a business, brand, or organization. So, the work is related to the business, which could be of any kind. Companies are hiring copywriters for the composition of their advertisement posts. Bloggers hire copywriters to compose posts that attract people. Any organization can hire copywriters for their public messages. Copywriters also write the product description so that the reader becomes interested in the product and he would buy the product. That's all that a copywriter does, but this is not a simple thing. As you can say, that copywriter is actually the mastermind behind any organization's marketing. And if a company gets an experienced copywriter who knows how to attract an audience by words, it may get much more popular. To do something is not easy, but to convert that work into proper words for a better understanding of people is even more complicated, which is the task of a copywriter. But once you gain experience in copywriting, this will help you earn a handsome amount of money. Copywriting takes effort and time, whether you are a freelance copywriter or an employee copywriter. You have to work with dedication. As we know, hard work pays off. You will get the result of your hard work. Here you can say that copywriting is a good field for those who know how to play with words and what kinds of words seem to be more attractive to people. If you think you can do it, give it a try, and we are sure you will definitely do it. Organizations will get you as an employee and pay you for your copywriting work. Here is some average estimated money you may earn as a copywriter. If you are an agency copywriter, then you may earn an average of starting from $47,000 to $88,000. If you are an in-house copywriter, you can make an average of $48,000 to $84,000. You may earn up to $100,000 as a freelance copywriter. This is incredible, guys, so start it today without further delay. You should have some writing and copywriting skills, and then you will get too much work in this field, because nowadays copywriters are in great demand. So, try it out and tell us how your experience is going. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like it as we make these videos for you all. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you forget to subscribe to the channel, then subscribe now. Share this video with your friends and family, so they can get guidance and earn by getting help from our videos. As always, we will catch you soon with one more fantastic video, and stay tuned, because there are still many more to come. Take care of yourself and keep supporting us like that. Stay tuned until the next video.